German Shepherds, training for guard and attack commands. German Shepherds are one of the most popular dog breeds in the world. Known for their intelligence, loyalty, and versatility, these dogs excel in various fields, including search and rescue, police work, and even as family pets. One of the key aspects of their training is teaching them guard and attack commands to ensure their effectiveness in protecting their owners and property. In this article, we will explore the importance of training German Shepherds for these commands and provide some useful tips for achieving success. The first step in training a German Shepherd for guard and attack commands is to establish a strong foundation of obedience training. This includes teaching the dog basic commands such as sit, stay, lay down, and come. Obedience training is essential as it helps build a strong bond between the dog and its handler, establishes the handler's authority, and teaches the dog to listen and respond to commands promptly. Once the basics of obedience training are mastered, the next step is to introduce the guard and attack commands. It is crucial to approach this part of the training with caution and respect for the dog's natural instincts. German Shepherds have a strong desire to protect their family and territory, making them excellent candidates for this type of training. However, it is important to remember that these dogs require careful guidance to ensure they distinguish between real threats and innocent situations. The guard command is typically used to teach the dog to alert its owner when an intruder or a suspicious person approaches. To start this training, the owner should command the dog to stay in a specific position and then introduce a verbal cue such as guard or watch. It is important to praise and reward the dog when it displays the desired behavior, such as barking and alerting to the presence of a stranger. Over time, the dog will associate the verbal cue with the action, and the command becomes more effective. The attack command, on the other hand, is used to teach the dog to apprehend or deter a threat physically. This command should only be taught by experienced trainers or professionals who can handle the potential risks associated with this type of training. The attack command should never be used inappropriately or for personal gain, as it can lead to legal consequences and pose a danger to others. When training a German Shepherd for attack commands, it is essential to use positive reinforcement techniques and never resort to physical punishment. The dog should associate the command with a specific action, such as biting a padded sleeve or attacking a target. The trainer should focus on building the dog's confidence and ensuring it understands the difference between a command given by the handler and an actual threat. In addition to proper training techniques, consistency, repetition, and patience are key factors in successfully training a German Shepherd for guard and attack commands. It is crucial to practice the commands regularly and reinforce them with praise, treats, or playtime to keep the dog engaged and motivated. However, it is important to remember that each dog is unique, and the training process may vary in duration and effectiveness depending on the individual. It is also worth noting that training a German Shepherd for guard and attack commands should always be done under the guidance of a professional trainer. They can assess the dog's temperament, understand its capabilities, and provide personalized advice and support throughout the training process. This ensures the safety and well-being of both the dog and its handler. In conclusion, training a German Shepherd for guard and attack commands is a serious responsibility that requires dedication, expertise, and a deep understanding of the breed's instincts. It is important to establish a strong foundation of obedience training and introduce the guard and attack commands gradually and with respect for the dog's natural instincts. Positive reinforcement, consistency, and patience are critical to achieving success in this type of training. Ultimately, a well-trained German Shepherd can provide exceptional protection and security, making them an ideal choice for those in need of a reliable and loyal guardian.